Hey yo, I'm in fascinating Berlin right now, having a lot of fun and a lot of weirdos around, which is pretty cool. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful chest harness that you can wear to a parade, festival, photo shoot, or to prove your mom that Shibari is not a BDSM, which is sometimes pretty important. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. In this video you will find 3 tricks how to make a decorative knot. It will help you to make it symmetric, to hide the ends because nobody ever knows how to hide them, and of course not to tangle in the rope. If you don't want to watch the whole harness, you can just click on the link and see the 3 tricks. It will be very fast and easy. The ropes I'm gonna be using today are actually boiled, burnt and oiled by me. But this is a very long process. You can learn about it on my Instagram. Here is the link. But if you are thinking how to do ropes, it's much better to just get them somewhere. And on my next videos, I'm gonna show you some rope shops where you can get them. Our beautiful model today is Laura from Poland.
Hi.
And I'll give my model a high five while we still can do that. And let's get tied up. So, first thing you should do, take the middle of the rope and then put it on your model's neck. The first trick of doing these things is tying more than one knot here, so you'll have more lines everywhere. I'm making a pretzel knot. I made a video on that once. So that is gonna be a beautiful knot that is pretty useful. But you can also just make a very simple knot, which is not that beautiful, but still useful. Okay. So here we got one pretzel knot, and now we're doing one more. Okay, now we fix them a little bit and we have 2 pretzel knots. So what do we do next? We just put the rope back, and go in here, and here we put the ropes in here and going under the rope. Another trick is doing it with both hands at the same time, because your brain makes it easier for you to just work with both hands than do different things with your hands, right? So if you want to make it symmetric, then just do it at the same time with both hands. We're making it tighter, but not very tight. And do you feel okay?
Yeah,
It's
sure.
still okay? Okay. And we're taking that back, cross it on the back. Then just one more crossing somewhere here, so we have more rope in the front. Taking it back again. Cross, bring it here. Make another thing. Like so. Here comes the important thing for decorative knots. It's another trick. I'll show it with one rope first. So here we put the rope under this one. Try to hold it all the time so it doesn't hit your model's face, which is pretty important. Here we put the finger under the rope, which makes it easier. Put this one here. Just bring it all the way through. Here we have this end. We don't know what to do with it, but actually we do know what to do with it. We just put it somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, and do exactly the same thing here. Put the thing down, then up. So we have a knot fixed here. I'll just do the same thing from this side. So okay, the next step is we just want to make it look good, look beautiful. That's why we are making the twist here, which is pretty easy. Bringing it under these ropes. Making it a little bit wider. And then just take it back here. What we're doing here is just making a very simple knot so that it doesn't fall apart. If you want to make it cute, just make a bow tie here. Okay, now we have a little bow. So what we have here, the back is not that pretty, but the front is already pretty good for showing off. And this doesn't hurt the model at all. It's she can move, right? You can move your hands.
Yeah.
Cool, she can move your hands. Actually, that's it. Very fast and looks complicated. People will think that you did a good job. So here you are, you did a good job. Okay guys, that's it for today. We have our beautiful harness here, our beautiful model happy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and there will be more videos next week. Bye bye.
Bye.